Hey, what's up guys, this is new video. I will tell you in this video how to make intro from Movavi video editor. This is open software video editor. This is Movavi video editor. You can see on the screen. Now we will make intro for your YouTube channel. For any YouTube channel you can make intro and amazing beautiful intros like for your YouTube channels. Here are so many intro videos. You can templates here, you can check here templates, so many. And this is amazing template for making a amazing intro for your YouTube channel. You can see here this is also amazing template for making a YouTube channel. So here I will drag and drop here in the timeline. You can see here this is a timeline, and I have too little zoom for this video. Now this is, you can see, I will play, and you can see here this is amazing intro for your YouTube channel. You can make amazing intro for your YouTube channel from the Movavi video editor. So let's start. Here we can edit for this templates. So this is, you can see here you can change any your name. You can see here which you can edit and place the name of your YouTube channel or any other intro, your office or your shop, which one you make, anyone. This is your choice. So here is I born signal. This is my YouTube channel, so I will write here born signal. So you can see here, let's start again. We will play here, and this is amazing intro for your born signal YouTube channel. You can make easily for any YouTube channel intro in the Movavi video editor. You can see here this is amazing. Just 5 minutes, just 2 minutes, you can make amazing intro and professional intro with the Movavi video editor, using Movavi video editor. So here is other examples, and this is amazing. And you can see here, and this is also amazing intro for your YouTube channel. Let's restart and try to make new. You can place your name, channel name, or any business name. You can anyone you can, this is choice yours. So this is channel name, your born signal. You can make intro with this amazing ready-made templates. Wow, amazing. You can make intros with the Movavi video editor with using these templates. If you need more templates, you can download and you can purchase from the Movavi video editor Play Store. From the store, you can see there are so many sample videos and any other so many videos. Here is the in this video I will tell you only the intro, how to make intro in the Movavi video editor with the templates. Hope you understand this video and make amazing and professional video and intro with using the Movavi video editor. So this is amazing. This is video about the intro. Hope you understand this video, and please like this video and share with your friends for knowing the Movavi video editor software. This is very amazing software for all the YouTubers. Next video, we'll see in the next video. Take care, bye bye.